Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove or unlink your Yahoo email from Gmail. This is a simple process that can help you streamline your inbox, take control of your email accounts, and keep things organized. Whether you're consolidating accounts or just want to separate Yahoo from Gmail, this guide will walk you through it step by step. First, open your Gmail account. You can do this in your web browser by navigating to your usual Gmail login page. Once you're logged in, take a moment to look at your inbox and get familiar with the layout if you're not already used to it. Then move your cursor to the top right corner where you'll see a small gear icon, also known as the settings icon. Click on it to reveal some quick settings options. To access the full settings, click on See All Settings. This will open the comprehensive Gmail settings menu, giving you control over every aspect of your email account. Once you're in, head over to the top menu and select Accounts and Import. This is the section where you can manage linked accounts and email import settings. Scroll down until you find Check Mail from Other Accounts. Here, you'll see all the email accounts currently linked to your Gmail, including your Yahoo account. Locate your Yahoo email and notice the Unlink button next to it. Clicking this button starts the process of unlinking your Yahoo email from Gmail. Before Gmail finalizes the unlink, you'll be asked an important question. A prompt will appear asking whether you want to keep the imported Yahoo emails in your Gmail account or delete them. This choice depends entirely on your preference and whether you still need access to those old emails. Once you've made your decision, confirm by clicking Unlink one more time. And that's it. Your Yahoo email is now successfully removed from Gmail. This gives you more control over your email accounts and can help simplify your inbox management. If you ever want to link your Yahoo email back or add a different account, you can easily do so from the same settings menu. With these steps, managing multiple email accounts becomes easier and your Gmail experience can be much cleaner and more organized. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy email tips.